Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you this Adidas tracksuit. I think it's a tracksuit. Is it a tracksuit? Yeah, it's a tracksuit. This is the must-have stadium tracksuit. It comes in a weird color. It's like a nice color that I like. It's like a purpley color. Let me show. What was it called? The color is called Powerberry. So that's what the color is. Let's go have a look here. So this is the color. That's the main reason I chose this is for the color because it looks really nice. If you know, watch my last video on the t-shirt that I got of the same matching one. Was it t-shirt? Yeah, t-shirt I think. If you know, watch that, go check it out. I bought that way too big. The size was way too big, so hopefully this is not too big. If it is, then we might be struggling. I got this on Black Friday. This was the one thing that stood out for me on Black Friday. That's why I bought it. So this is £42 something. Let me check for you guys. This is £42.96 before any sales, and then on Black Friday it was £34.36, so it's a decent amount cut off for you. It's not bad. Okay, let me show you what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like. It looks very nice. Oh, it's very soft, guys. Oh, it's leaving marks. That's sick. It's very soft, guys. I like it. Very stretchy as well. Look how big the pockets are, guys. I am like, oh my god, that's massive. It's either the pants are too big for me or the pockets are huge. Look at that, guys. I'll put my whole hand in there. Look how big. What kind of pocket is that, bro? I'll put my full hand in there and a bit more. I don't think these pockets are going to be very practical, if anything, unless it's the size. Wow, look at that design, guys. That is going to be very comfortable. I can tell already. Wow. Looking at it, it doesn't look that bad. Lengthwise, I think it'll fit me lengthwise. Width-wise, it looks a bit fat, like wide. So I'm guessing that won't fit me on that wide. I'm 32 usually, so let's see. Does it have anything? This is medium. That's what I mean. There's no actual indication of anything. Let's see. No, nothing. So I'm probably gonna have to change this as well for small. Hopefully not, but we'll find out soon enough. So we got the Adidas logo there. So that's the only Adidas logo on the thing. But the quality of these pants is amazing. You got two different textures. You got this normal soft texture, and then in the crotch areas and stuff, you got this like a mesh type one for maybe aerodynamics. I don't know, to cool you down, guys. I don't know. Maybe it's just there for style. Okay, you guys tapered off at the bottom. I like that. Okay, let's have a look at the top. Alright, so we got these two drawstrings. Very nice. What the hell is that? It looks like a mini, you know what? What the hell? Okay, I like that. But the inside is very nice. It looks very soft. So the inside is very nice and soft. Oh yeah, it is like a cool down your balls. Can you see, guys? This will cool your balls down. Okay, so you won't sweat as much in there. Okay, I am sport game day or any day one. I am sport. What the hell? That makes no sense. Okay, all the tags in there. So look inside. Have we check this? Here we have. That's very nice. Let me go ahead and wear this for you guys. Hopefully it fits me. Guys, I might have spoke too soon. These pants actually fit decently. I'll show you what they look like. I got the full outfit on so you can see what it looks like. So these are the pants. Look pretty decent. Here to the left. I'll just do spins for you until I get to the camera so you can see up close. So this is what the pants look like. This is what the pants look like. Very nice. The pockets are massive, guys. I'll just show you how big they are. E45 turbo. You looking, guys? Are you looking? If you want to carry your E45 around with you, these are the pants you need, guys. Let's see how much I can actually fit there. E45. Got some pseudo cream. Got some Vaseline. Okay. Hand sanitizer. Oh my god, he actually all fits in there. And there's more space as well. Oh my god. Alright. Sure, man. That's the limit. Just about. Okay. So you can fit half your house in here. That is one good thing about this. In this pocket I will carry my fan. Oh shit. Okay, I will carry my fan. Put my Lucozade in there. Fuck, it fits a full Lucozade bottle and you can't see it. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. But I feel like anything that is in this pocket will definitely fall off. I'll just clean my whole pocket. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. These pant pockets are massive and amazing. But I don't know about the pant pockets. If I had a zip, maybe it'd be alright, but it's too big to use for anything. Like if you put your phone in there, easily get robbed. If you put your phone in there, it could easily just slip out as well because it's that big. That's the problem. But yeah, let's see if I can fit this torch in. Got a massive torch. Nearly guys, nearly. Actually might be, no, nearly guys, nearly. Conceal my torch in there. Can you see that? Amazing guys, amazing. I'm quite impressed, guys. I'm quite impressed, I'm not gonna lie. Quite like it a lot. But yeah. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think of the pants. I really like them. This size is okay. I'm just gonna get a smaller shirt, I reckon, because the pants are a bit baggy, so I don't know. Might go for smaller. Waist size is a bit wide as well, but because it's elastic it fits, so I don't know. It all depends. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.